First, let's check the vibrating wheel assembly. It is fitted with a built-in reduction motor and a vibration motor, and 8 shock-absorbing rubber pads are installed on each end. The front hydraulic shovel supports vertical angle adjustment, and the mud guards are mounted at the bottom. The cab doors are openable with intricate interior details. And the front windshield wipers are movable. Steering is driven by hydraulic cylinders. The vehicle is crafted with plenty of details such as footsteps, heat dissipation vents, rear tow hook, cooling grills, and exhaust outlets. Open the body cover. You can see the receiver and the brushed ESC. This whole area is the hydraulic workstation, equipped with brushless ESC and oil tank with an oil filter port. The reduction motor is placed below next to the oil pump. And there's also a magnetic toolbox.